So we're back in the 1 Series today installing my removable handbrake. But of course I can't start install without first getting a cold start. And now we wait for it to get louder and louder and louder and louder. I can't hear it anymore. So first things first, gotta take out the whole center console. And it is apart now, so now it cuts down to the fun part. Gotta take out some insulation. So I already cut some of this the last time, so that's gone. I got the instructions to read. I got my old pair of scissors here, and I'm honestly just gonna follow this line first, make sure not to cut any of the wires underneath, and then I'll make sure to see if that's where I should have cut. If not, I'll cut some more. All right, so next up, what you're gonna do after you've cut away all your dash here, keep in mind before I continue with that, you do not have to cut all the way in the back, or at least I didn't for the time being. I just folded up underneath the dash mount here, which next up, you're gonna have to take this dash mount off, probably a T20 or something, and then there's bolts on the side. You just unhook this from there. All right, so these were indeed T20, and you just gotta get a 13. Take these on the sides off. Next up, the mounting holes are actually factory here. They're underneath these pieces of glue BMW put. All you gotta do is take off these pieces of glue and you should have your mounting point. Might have a ground here. Take that out just for the time being. You're gonna want to take this out as well. You have a manual, which of course I hope if you're getting a handbrake, you have a manual. Forgot to add one more thing. There is another hole right here under glue. Take that one out too, but as you see, those ready out. Next up, you're gonna take your plate and make sure you take off this nut here. Make sure you also cut out enough to slide this underneath the carpet over here, and make sure you put in this threaded insert inside where you took out the automatic transmission cable plug. I'm doing the left-hand drive left position, so it's gonna be bolted to here. Sorry for the bell in the background, it just started, but I found my position where I'm gonna put it. This will be right around here, which is honestly pretty good. Now we gotta take this all out, attach this to this, and then put it back in. So if you guys are like me and you have extra short-term, non-essential memory loss, take a picture of where you put your handbrake, because I know I'm gonna be like, oh, I put it here. It's gonna be in the completely wrong place. Pump comes out, and buddy, come on, come out. There we go. All right, you have your bag full of hardware. They've been so nice and gracious to give us the nut, the washer, and the screw, or the bolt, all in one thing. Unscrew it, and it screws from underneath. Pause. So you have your plate, you have your pump here, or be so real. There's no way I just lost this bolt. Yeah, this is what I'm saying. Extra short-term, non-essential memory loss. I'm using the completely wrong bit for this, but it's what I have. It will continue spinning, but I'm glad they do this, because you could technically do it while it's in the car. No, you can't. Next up, so you see it's in the hole here. You put the washer on the top, and you're just gonna snug down the nut. Yeah, I'll do this 4 more times. But also, I'll go over to the next step in a second. You'll see it. I think it's a 10. We're gonna guess. It is indeed a 10. How y'all doing today? Nope, not doing that. Next one in. Washer and nut. You know, the metal glasses would have been great right now. However, I'm a little bit too lazy to go get them. Oh, that one is snug. That one is for sure snug. Snug. C-H-C-S-C-H-N-U-G-G. Snug? Snug. Take it. Something's got a gnarly idle behind me. I don't know what it is. I refuse to believe that was an NJ Transit bus. That is public transport that's idling like that. That's wild. Now the plate is one and the same with the pump. Also, I'll explain this in a little bit. I'm gonna leave my center console off because I have to go get some brake lines and I have to get access to these 2 holes here. And that has been how you install your Hideaway handbrake. Stock console, technically. Take off this cover here. Grab your shaft out of it. Don't worry about it. You got a handbrake. Tell me it's not the coolest thing ever though.